Being able to stack traffic cones is a great way to keep things neat and tidy, but what if you have to slam on the brakes? Woo! The good news is that this hazard can be avoided thanks to this week's feature product. Check out the traffic cone holder from Byers Products Company. When working on a service truck or trailer, finding extra storage space can become quite difficult, especially with the requirement of having a number of 18-inch traffic cones ready to be deployed. And while stacking them is fine when the vehicle's stationary, any sudden acceleration or stopping could cause those cones to tumble around, or worse, cause some major confusion on the road. Using this traffic cone holder from Byers allows the worker to securely keep their pylons in place, no matter their speed. Or maybe they're just a neat freak and need to keep their pylons nicely stacked and contained in the shop, warehouse, or even the sea can. And because they come in both horizontal mount and a vertical mount, they can be attached nearly anywhere to free up space. Made from a rugged carbon steel, it's sturdy enough to take the abuse of traffic cones constantly getting tossed onto it, and has a powder-coated finish to resist corrosion from working in the elements. To help with installation, the mounting plates come with pre-drilled holes, giving you the options on how it should be mounted. Now, if it's too late and you've already lost a couple cones off the back of your truck, fret not, as we here at Gregg Distributors have a schwack of replacements in all shapes and sizes. So have your pylon securely stored and at the ready with this week's feature product, the traffic cone holder from Byers Products Company. How do you keep your traffic cones secured on your truck? Let's chat about it in the comments. And thanks for sticking around to watch our 100% Canadian content. We'll see you next time.